for February Door Committee, and we will be reading the weekly emails for the month of February.
Oh, thank you for the PIL. Okay. So, please, parents, please check your child's, like, their trappers and make sure they have everything, like, cleaned out. Pod tracks will be sent home to every student every Monday or Tuesday. Some math info are math treats. Those are extra credit. And
they're on the checklist, by the way.
Yeah, so you have to do 7. And the math activity checklist is due in April. And many students already have it done for the second semester. And Quizlet, you need to do Quizlet 3 times a chapter, beginning, middle, and end. And the four problem-solving steps, if you would like to know, there are read, plan, solve, look back, and check. And then there are problem-solving strategies. There are 11, a list, but there's one that she doesn't like. So, 10. And Dynamath and Pod, and they are due sometime in February. And February 29th. And you need to be working on Study Island. You need to be working on Study Island to get blue ribbons. And then there's flashcards.
Flashcards, please make sure your child knows the basic math facts. Do you know that I have not seen some students' flashcard calendars? They will be 4th grade needs to at least 7 sets. Students were told at least 3 sets need to be completed with a parent. 5th and 6th grade students can do at least 2 sets of flashcards each week. Please make sure your child works on basic facts. You are welcome to order at any time from any book orders throughout the year. Online activation code GJYBB. Please write your checks to Scholastic. Anyone is welcome to order through book orders. Thank you for all the box tops labels for education and other fundraisers. Please be saving box tops, empty cartons, old cell phones and accessories, and labels for education throughout the year. Allen's receipt started September 1st and goes through March 1st.
As you know, that Famous is not doing it this year.
Miss Kranaus' web page is on our website. If your child is sick, we will get assignments ready by 2, but please try to pick up the assignments or ask another student to drop off the assignments. May students come back to school and we had the assignments in the office the day before. If you will be able to get assignments, please let Gina know, as she will tell us not to get assignments for for your child. Your child does have 2 days for every day he or she is going to make the assignment. Please check Power School to check your child's grades, lunch balance, and other information. Students need to make sure lunch balance later letters from Michelle are taken home.
Also, the ticket days are usually every
last day.
Thursday or Friday.
It just depends.
Depends if we have the Friday off.
So make sure you know how many tickets you owe to Mrs. Kranaus.
Or
Look
get
at the
from
spreadsheets the
Mrs.
day
Kranaus.
before and like put them in your planner.
Yeah, make sure you're writing it down every day. That when you write down your assignment for math, you can say -1 if you have to lose 1 ticket, or +1, +5.
Oh, and you can like choose like different activities with your tickets. Like you can give her tickets and like choose to go like do different things, like help a lower elementary teacher
Teach a lesson for
not
the day.
do a lesson,
Yeah.
not do a couple lessons or something.
But
With the
we might
the
want to hold
teacher.
off with that for a little bit because she's had a lot of people come and do it. So.
In fourth grade, the Chapter 7 quiz is scheduled for Thursday. The lessons that they will be covering will be making bar graphs, making line graphs, and choose an appropriate graph. All the students need an example of a bar graph and line graph by Tuesday. Friday will be the ticket day. Remember, students also have a vocabulary
And a
test on
test,
every
it's like a mini chapter.
chapter test. So don't forget the 4 problem-solving steps and 5 problem-solving strategies on each test. And they will be working on Study Island each day for 20 to 30 minutes. Students may work on Study Island at home. Also, it is just a sentimental activity that reviews math skills. Don't forget to do the math learning path.
So in 6th grade, they will cover the lessons they will cover are circle graphs, mean, median, and mode, and range, line plots, and frequency tables. They will also be using protractors on Monday, which is today. Mrs. Kranaus will have protractors in her room for the students. On Friday, 6th grade will be taking the Chapter 7 mid-chapter checkpoint. 6th grade will have time on the following Monday to correct the quiz. They should be working on Quizlet at least 3 times, beginning, middle, and end. Some people aren't doing that, so it's 0 in the grade book.
And -1 ticket.
Yeah, it's a nice one to get every time you don't get it done. And Mrs. Kranaus sends various emails and videos, interactive games that the students that coordinate with upcoming math lessons. Mrs. Kranaus will continue to conference about the students' map and NISA scores from last fall. And they'll have their own action plan and tip days. So in 5th grade homeroom, comparing and ordering fractions, decimals, outcomes, events, and finding probability are some lessons that we will cover this week. Students will have part of the period on Tuesday to work on their mathematics and research, which is due in April. On Fridays, we will take a Chapter 7 mid checkpoint, students will have time following Monday to correct the graded quiz. The Valentine's party during math class is when they'll pass them out. After students take the quiz on Friday, they submit sometimes give extra worksheets or extra problems, staple 2 credits for assignments for extra practice. They need to be working on receiving blue ribbons on study islands and math concepts. Ms. Kranaus will conference with them, Maps and ESA. From last fall, the students will revise their own action plan. Students receive a Valentine's Day box letter from weeks ago, and homeroom classmates' names on the back. They have to bring a box on Thursday or Friday, so it has to be like creative and stuff. February door committee, which is us, we had to put up the door. And Mr. Hubble will not have guidance on Tuesday, but library on Thursday we will have. And the joke is, question, what did one pickle say to the other? And the answer is, you mean a great deal to me.
That's a good one.
And
Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.